大家知唔知道 help me do something 同埋 help me to do something 有咩分別呢？其實呢兩個表達方式咧都係正確嘅。In America, we prefer to use the bare infinitive with the word help. So we say help do something or help me do something. I helped paint the living room. Can you help me move the boxes? While in the UK, the to infinitive is normally preferred. So you'll see help to do and help me to do. I helped to prepare this dinner. Can you help me to throw out the rubbish? 其實 help 呢一個動詞咧有一個香港人唔太識用嘅表達方式，但係喺外國咧就會經常用嘅。如果我哋想表達喺一樣嘢上面幫忙，我哋可以話 help with 一樣嘢，或者 help me with 一樣嘢。喺呢一種表達方式裏面咧，個動作就唔會清楚地表達出嚟啦。呢一種表達咧有啲似我哋廣東話會講嘅，喂，封電郵幫幫忙啊 ！I'd better help with the dinner. It's already 8 p.m. Can you help me with this report? 考下大家，如果我想表達呢封投信可唔可以幫幫忙啊？英文可以點樣表達呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 like、comment 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補習老師咧，就歡迎私信我。如果想支持下我繼續拍片咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。同埋如果想輕鬆地話翻一啲過去嘅影片咧，亦都可以訂閱 Patreon 平台。